fixing to.
Where'd he go?
I don't know.
What was the famous you wanted for Christmas?
I think you lost him.
You wish I did, but I won't.
I think you lost him, Memo.
What?
I think you lost him.
He's right up there, Brian.
Where?
Right up there in them leaves.
Oh, that's the fake bird.
Brian, you told me you get the
I'm
bird.
fixing to catch the bird. Hello. Well, come on in here. Memo's swinging at a bird trying to kill it. But Ethan's here. He'll catch the bird.
Oh, yeah. What are you going to do?
I'm going to catch him and take him to Amanda's house and then turn him loose. And the bird catcher has
I'm
arrived.
fixing to
Where's the bird at, Mama?
right up there on that basket.
Where?
Right there.
Let me get him.
No, you can't crush him. You gotta catch him and
Oh goodness, I see.
turn him loose.
I see the bird.
Yeah.
Just open
Get
the
him,
doors.
Mama. Get him. He's right there.
I can't hit him. I've been after him ever since.
Get after him right there.
He wants to catch. If you don't catch that bird, Brian.
Oh shit! I was thinking we was gonna keep him as a pet.
Brad wants to catch him.
Wait, you want me to hit him?
Yeah.
You want me to hit him?
But
I'll
don't
try.
break something.
What do you want me to do? 'Cause if I break something, it ain't my fault. I try to hit him.
You're gonna kill him.
Well, catch him then.
I'm trying to catch him, Memo.
With what?
Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet.
He won't be still. Brad, please get the bird.
I'm gonna catch the bird.
He opened the front door and he was up
Mama,
over
you
the
got a bird in the house?
No, I didn't.
Memo, let the bird in. He's gotta get tired of flying in a minute.
In a minute, you just got to. He likes that up there.
Get up.
Come on, Memo, swing again. I'll catch him.
I can't swing. Don't tear them greenery down.
Oh, you got the bird? What do you want? Whoopee.
Bird been caught.
He ain't
Oh shit! He got away again. We had him for a second.
The other way, even that thing there, push it that way. Push it back there.
Alright, going in for round 2.
He had him. You let go. I'll still have him grab him if he flies out. Got him, Memo?
You gotta be easy with him. That's not easy. You gotta be easier than that.
Now watch that clock, don't knock it down.
Lucy is going to
Now,
find a
Now,
He is
don't
caught.
open your hand. Right did it.
People of YouTube, this is what all the racket was about. One little bird.
He ain't gonna turn it loose.
How do you stop the recording?